Welcome once again, and let's talk about Terra Classic bond. Now, Terra Classic have bought a total of 38.67 billion Terra Classic LUNC coins. Now, this number was actually bought between the period of 3 months, and I believe that before the end of 2023, we still have about 11 months to go. This coin can bond over 200 billion coins to 500 billion coins, but Terra Classic can also achieve 1 trillion coins if other crypto exchanges can start burning just like Binance. Now, I would say the community have really done well, burning over 38.67 billion Terra Classic coins. Amazing. That is a lot of money also, and I still believe that the burning will also increase. We will need more big whales coming in to buy and invest on Terra Classic, and also Binance will continue burning, and I believe very soon Binance will be burning billions of Terra Classic coins. So also we are hoping for other exchanges to join the burning of Terra Classic coin. 38.67 billion burn is a lot, and I hope to see this continues. I hope to see this year that Terra Classic can actually burn more than this number, and I believe before the end of 2025 Terra Classic might be burning out over 1 trillion to 5 trillion coins of Terra Classic, and the price will be between 1 cent and $1. It's amazing to see this coin hit 1 cent and above, because so many Terra Classic holders will actually smile to the bank, and I'm hoping for the best to come for Terra Classic community. Once again, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video.